Hello friends, welcome to Coding Shorting. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make your own music player using 3 lines of Python code. Yes, you heard it right. Your own player using just 3 lines of code. So follow the steps I am going to teach in this tutorial and you will be able to make your player within 5 to 6 minutes. So the first thing we have to do is open your Visual Studio Code and add a new file. I will name it as music play .py. Don't forget to give the extension of python.py as we are going to make whole code in Python. So the thing you need to do first is install a module called PlaySound using pip install. So pip install PlaySound. So it will take 30 to 40 seconds depending on your internet connection, and it will show installing collected packages PlaySound successfully installed. So this means the PlaySound module is ready to work with, and now we need to write the main coding part. So first thing we will do is importing PlaySound module from PlaySound. So from PlaySound import PlaySound. Now you need to write the general syntax of PlaySound module, which is PlaySound in brackets the name of the path you want to play. So we write PlaySound and we will write the path of the music we want to play. So just go to the folder where you keep all the music. As I keep all my music in D drive music, so I will just copy this path and just paste it in my Visual Studio Code. So the one thing you need to remember is give a forward slash, as Python by default interprets a single slash as an escape character. So don't forget to give one more slash. And now here we will specify the name of the song which we want to play. So I will play Diamond by Gurnaam Bhullar in this video, and as it is in MP3 format, so I will specify it. So now we need to do is just run this. As you can see, it is loading and one specific song. Now we will make it for any general song. So what we will do here is just replace this name by a curly braces, and we will add dot format here, and in dot format we will specify the name of the song, which will be specified by the user. So we will ask user to input the name of the song he want to play. So input, hey user, enter the name of the song to be played. So user will see this message on the screen, and at last we will make a button to exit this music player. So UTTON input, press enter to exit. Okay, so this is our whole program, and now just we need to save this file. So Control plus F, and it is saved. So here we will close all the files, and we will just go to the path where we have made this file. I have made it in Visual Studio Code, and it is music player. So this will ask the user to type the name of the song he want to play. So we will enter Diamond, and the song will be played. As you can see, it is working perfectly. Now we'll press exit and let's try with another song, and I will play Jan song. Let's try. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. So thank you guys for watching this video, and do like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.